So I'm Nick Brown, the General Manager at Batyr. Batyr is a youth mental health organisation that aims to smash the stigma around mental health and get young people reaching out for support sooner.
I run because it gets me out of bed in the morning.
This year I'm organising the City to Surf for Batyr. It's the first year that Batyr has actually been on board as one of their charity partners.
There's a goal to raise $12,500 that Westpac Foundation will match, so that'll go a long way to supporting more young people in our program.
It's a significant fundraiser for us for the year. The more we can raise through these type of events, the more people that we'll be able to impact through our programs.
We know that in a group of 30 young people, 7 will have a significant mental health issue and only 2 will access support. That leaves 5 people suffering in silence, and we want to have an impact on those people getting the support that they need.